Let's see how to solve this question. The variable library contains the data which is of dictionary data type, and we are trying to print it by converting it into a list. Here 5 and 6 represent the keys and these ones are the values. When we convert the library variable into a list and print, obviously we will be seeing a list as the output. But what will be stored inside the list? Do you think the keys will be stored or the values or both? Remember, keys only will be stored inside the list and not the values. So the answer is 5 and then the 6. So the right option is D. I'll help you to solve more questions in the upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get instant updates. Thank you for watching.